Coil whine is something that I've complained about and talked about a lot. Once you have it, there's really not a lot you can do about it. Some combinations of power supplies can help. And I'm going to launch a game. This is Halo 1. And I'm going to let you guys listen to the noise and you all can decide what you think of it. So there you go, guys. That's coil whine. That's what it sounds like. There's not a whole lot you can do about it. Just try and find a card that you know doesn't really whine if you think that that kind of thing will bother you.
Okay, Sebastian, please shut the fuck up. I will explain, because that's really sad that a lot of people are taking your misinformation seriously and throwing money everywhere. The whine you can hear comes from inductors or coils or chokes, all essentially the same thing, which very often work in tandem with capacitors to smooth regulate filter noise out from circuits. Ever noticed that hum when you're next to an electricity substation? Or that squeal of a camera flash chop? It's the same phenomenon. That is fucking normal. All cards have it to some degree. So, why do you have coil whine during games menu or not demanding games? Because you don't put limits on the rendering frequency of your fucking video card, you dumb fuck. Your computer is overkill and will run the game with more than 1000 FPS per second. Especially in games menu if the developers didn't put any limitation for that. Vertical synchronization can fix it and limit the FPS to your monitor refresh rate. But in some games it won't work in menu or loading, or even pause menu. So, how do we fix that shit? Well, you need a software to limit the frame frequency of your video card. For NVIDIA users, download NVIDIA Inspector. For AMD users, MSI Afterburner or Radeon Pro can do that. Your video card will stop rendering thousands of useless frames, and it will stop the unnecessary stress due to consuming more power. The interplay between components will stop creating buzzing or whining pitch that is increasingly audible. Now please stop listening to stupid YouTubers tech.